Hey guys, here's a quick tip for you. If I had had the foresight when I put all these 20 easy piers in, I would have installed the threaded nut right after we installed them before they backfilled. But what they did is they put all this pack in here, and when they did that and they watered everything down and compacted it, they got all kinds of gunk and water inside the threads. Let me show you how I had to deal with it. Well, as you guys know, I put in all these footings and these piers, and unfortunately what I forgot to do is I forgot to put these nuts in here before I left, before the excavator filled all this pack in. And what they did is they packed it in, they watered it down, they compacted it, and they got all kinds of junk in here, and now I can't get this bolt in here. So let me show you how I deal with that. Basically, get an air chuck with a nice thin compressor and a little nozzle here, and I'm just going to blow it out. Basically trying to clean out all this mess. Then I take a little bit of oil. Just going to put a little bit of oil around the edge, a little bit of oil on the threads. A little bit of oil in my mouth. And then I thread it in, and it works great. Now it's going in easy. So this is what I should have done day one after they were installed, before they backfilled. I didn't, so I have to go around with this compressor, the oil, and I have to put them all in and get all the dirt out. Hope this helps, guys. Take care.